Good morning, class. Happy Monday. Welcome to week 7. I hope you guys are doing great. We are really making our way through the semester. We are heading towards spring break. So we have, not this week, obviously, not next week, but the week after is spring break. So that's great. The semester is just rolling on through. I wanted to give you guys a few announcements. So this week we will be covering chapter 6, which is selection and placement. One of my most favorite chapters, actually. You'll learn all about selection methods and their strengths and weaknesses. So definitely a very worthwhile chapter. Make sure that you are reading along in your book. I think that really helps when it comes to exam time. But as far as where we are, it is pretty much a normal week, I would say. You have a discussion board and your post is due on Friday at 11:59, like normal. I should say your 3 posts. If you take a look at mine, you should have all of your grades for weeks 1 through weeks 5 of your discussion boards. And if I, in your comments, say see syllabus for discussion board guidelines, it probably means that you're short on words, that you're coming up short on your word count. So double check that. Make sure that your original reply or your reply to my original post is 150 words and that your replies to peers are 75. So, but you can go ahead and check the syllabus on that. Other than that, I wanted to just make a plug for the group project coming up. Not quite yet. I would recommend letting another week or so pass by, but right around spring break I think is a good time to really start getting your group organized for your group project. At this point, probably a little too early, but you could touch base with them and just make sure that maybe, ask them if they're going to be around for spring break, if, they're going to be available, and kind of, start putting that in the back of your mind that in a couple weeks, you probably are going to want to make some strides on that group project. But other than that, this week, it's a normal week. So we're just kind of, plugging away here in the middle of the semester. Let me give you your exam question because I know those help. So for this week, the question is, which of the following increases the effectiveness of an interview? And choice 1 is it addresses subjective and personal matters. Choice 2, it specifically measures an individual's risk-taking behavior. Choice 3, it focuses on the job and the organization. Choice 4, it is non-standardized. It is non-standardized and non-structured. Or choice 5, it focuses on measuring the individual's stress level. So the correct answer for this question is choice 3. It focuses on the job and the organization. A lot of interviews out there, I'm sure, as you know, they go way off track and they start talking about personal things and just not very effective or reliable, not very good predictor of who will be a good fit for the job. So keep that in mind, that which of the following increases the effectiveness of an interview? It is, the correct answer, of course, is it focuses on the job and the organization. With that, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you back here next Monday. As always, don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything.